Hello, my name is Lana and I'm from Zuhour School. Today I will read for you Turtle Splash, Countdown at the Pond. Ten timid turtles lounging in a line. Let's count the turtles together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 turtles. Ooh, the turtles were startled by a bullfrog. There are 9 napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. Now there are 8 lazy turtles resting without care. A red squirrel scampers by the log. 7 still are there. 7 sleepy turtles hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear beside the shore. Now there are 6 sunning turtles watching ducklings dive. The mother mallard quacks at them. Then there are 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore. Pollywogs swirl by their log. Let's count the turtles together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 turtles. Now there are 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by. Leaving only 3 carefree turtles beneath a sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in a tree. Then there are 2 silent turtles watch the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. Now there's only one lonely turtles in the fading night. Splash! 10 tired turtles settle for the night. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleep tight. Thank you for listening to the story. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!